We're looking at the upstream end of the culvert on 262nd Street, water flowing in. We've got baffles in here, and we definitely see 4 to 5 backwaters from each culvert. I'm going to baffle. I'm going to try to zoom in here, see what we can see. Oh yeah, oh, this is sweet. The lighting has changed, we can see it. Okay, we are going to do an experiment with a ping pong ball. Go ahead, Chuck. And there, okay, the ping pong balls are caught. They're not oh, there goes one. There we go. Gonna follow it. There goes another one. I'm following it downstream.